Yo, good morning, fellas. It is currently 9:22. Y'all know the drill. Wake up relatively early, test the trade cop here, brain rot reels, and then get to work at like 9:05. So, just gonna test out the trade cop here real quick. I'll let you guys know. Let's do a quick test. 1 micro short. Bang.
Order filled.
Cool. All right, we're all set. Catch you guys at around 9 something for market open. Also, to anyone who thinks you need a pitch perfect routine every single morning before you trade, wrong, bro. Like, as long as you're not literally waking up 5 minutes before market open and like you don't have that brain fog, like you're chilling, bro. Like, I just wake up relatively early to obviously test my copy trader, send in my analysis, but if I literally only traded, I'd probably wake up at like 9 or like 8:55 just to make sure I don't have that brain fog. Like, everything you do on the charts, like there's nothing external that's going to change it. It's literally just you being disciplined for like an hour and a half. That's literally it, and you not fucking pressing the button again. Like, it's generally simple as that, bro. Just wanted to say that. So I'll see you guys. It's now 8:37. I'll see you guys at like 9 something. Right, it is now 9:14. Pretty much just sent out analysis to the students, and pretty much today's probabilities for at least revisiting midnight open are definitely much higher if we open above. 86% chance to revisit, which again, we're not going to really get a huge tell with that today because we're kind of trading relatively close to it right now. So it is what it is, but not like, so I'm not really going to use that too much. But what I'm seeing with kind of technical analysis going into the day is, drum roll. Okay, so pretty much right after yesterday of PM session, we very aggressively sold off price. We very aggressively sold off, and we have Asia high here to the upside, and that's really the only other draw besides pretty much previous day high, which is really far away. So pretty much the reason why I do not like targeting Asia high and I do not want to target Asia high today is it was because the quote unquote Asia high is a wick that we put into an hourly gap and continued to sell off, right? So on top of it, we are rejecting in a bearish hourly gap. Pretty much what I'm seeing is a very aggressive sell off. I do not want to retarget a wick we put into a higher time frame gap and that continued to get sold off. So pretty much what I'm thinking going into the day is very aggressive flip off yesterday. We're respecting higher time frame gaps. We're currently in a higher time frame gap and respecting a bearish hourly. We swept at London highs, and I do not want to target Asia highs because of the fact that it's pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same thing as yesterday, right? I told you guys I do not want to target a draw that I would expect to deliver price in a certain direction, right? So you would expect a hourly wick and an hourly rejection out of a big hourly gap to deliver price, right? It's the same thing as an SMT low. I would expect that move to deliver price. So in a sense, I do not want to target that draw because I would not say we need to take it in order to move the markets, right? So I want to see London lows get taken. Probabilities that we do revisit minute open, again, not really not much of a tell, but definitely this is what I want to see going into today. Boom, just a continuation to London low, and that is the ideal case scenario today. So again, I pretty much just told the group I'm really only looking to take a trade to the upside if it is literally jumping out of the screen to Asia highs, and that's really the only case scenario. Like, it needs to be so damn obvious. Other than that, I want shorts to London low. So that's what I'm looking like. That's what I want. So I guess we'll see what happens. Market opens in around 15 minutes, so I'll keep you guys updated as the market plays out. But yeah, see you guys. So currently in shorts, hopefully we do not get break even here. If it is, whatever.
Order filled.
Fucking bang! 3 days. 3 days in a fucking row. Predicted the exact move, and the past 2 we got to execute. Let's fucking go, bro. What do we got? 5.6K on the day. Ah!
With the chair, nigga, Soho, trifecta, 3 hoes, trifecta, dope money, coke money, 2 blow, my watch better, my things better. Bang bang, a snitch nigga, bang bang, a bitch nigga,
right, before I hop in the shower, let me just show you guys why I took the trade. So, right, I told you guys, fuck longs, essentially. I do not want longs. We aggressively sold off since PM yesterday. I do not want to target Asia high because it was a wick. We put in an hourly gap, and I do not want to target that because it is not a high probable draw. So I wanted to get shorts on the day, right? My overall draw was this low right here. There's a London low, and pretty much like previous day low, I believe. So, right? Literally, again, it was literally the same exact entry to a T as yesterday, like the same exact entry model. Ready? So boom, look at this. Okay, I have my draw in mind. I have a relatively good idea where I have a good idea on where price wants to go. Cool. We get a fat fucking dumper of a 5-minute candle. You see this? You see this candle close right here. Boom. What does this tell me? Again, I'm going to ask you the same thing. Okay, you see this 5-minute candle closure? What are you thinking now? Okay, I'm thinking damn near we have a 90% chance we go to London lows and take out that low after that 5-minute close. So now, what is my mind? Okay, all I need to do is get a fill with a protected stop loss, and it's not less than 1 RR. That is it. It is so fucking simple, bro. So I saw this fat 5-minute close and I was like, okay, with a proper stop loss, with a protected stop loss, where would my entry be, right? So boom, I'm just going to show you on the 5-minute here. We get the 5-minute close. I kind of just positioned it to the draw, and I pretty much just aligned it with my entry here, or roughly like around here, right? Okay, so where is my entry to where I get a 1-to-1? It's essentially right around here, right? So it's a 3-step process. Okay, find a draw on liquidity. Cool. Probabilities are in my favor. I have a high probable draw on liquidity. Cool. Wait for confirmation to that draw on liquidity. Great. We get a huge displacing 5-minute candle closure to that draw on liquidity. Now all I need to do is get filled. And obviously we left behind a massive gap, a massive imbalance of price. So even if I did get filled and price ran higher, I would still be protected, right? The only way I lose this trade is if my draw on liquidity is wrong, right? Because if we go here, obviously my draw on liquidity is wrong on the day. So it's dead ass, was just a matter of getting filled to a literal 1-to-1 RR wherever my stop loss is protected to the draw on liquidity. And today I ended up literally top ticking the living shit out of the trade. Literally top tick the move right here. Boom. Beautiful. So entry was here, stop was literally right here, just a 1-to-1 to the draw, and it's genuinely simple as that. Wait till we break out to a confirmed draw, and then just get an entry with the protected stop. It's not rocket science. Not rocket science. So pretty much risked like around 550 per trade. So I'm pretty much risked 550 on this trade. So I made 570 per account, and obviously across 10 accounts. Made $5.85 thousand. So really good day. Yeah, again, Monday, pretty much caught 2 nice trades this week, so not really gonna try to I low-key don't even want to trade tomorrow. I've had a pretty good week, so I don't know, maybe if a trade is literally jumping out of the screen and like saying, oh my gosh, enter, then maybe I'll consider it, but I don't really want to trade tomorrow. I've had a good week so far. Don't really want to give anything back, so I guess we'll see. But been a really, really good past few days. Literally predicted the entire move. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Was not able to capitalize Tuesday. Again, I was salty. Then boom, fucking crushed these past 2 days. So really good, really good, really good. But yeah. So I'm gonna hop in the shower now. And then just hop on a call with the students, going over. Bro, like literally, they are crushing it as well. Look at this. Where we at? The same exact entry as me, bro. Boom. Same trade. Literally the same trade. Same trade. Where we at? Same trade. Fucking crushed it, bro. Literally crushing it. So glad to see that. And then, bro, that's like the thing about holy armbands. Like, that's the thing about continuation. Like, you really do not need to overcomplicate it. It is really just simple as finding a draw that is very high probability, getting in the move with, and not trying, and just have like making sure it is confirmed, your stop loss is protected, and if your draw is right, you're most likely winning that trade, or bare minimum getting break even, you know. So yeah, yeah. So I'm not gonna yap anymore. I'm gonna hop in the shower, and then I'll see you guys before the call. Peace. Showered up, y'all know the drill. Call in around 10 minutes. oops, wait, bang, 11:20. So call in 10 minutes, and then pretty much after the call, again, just do the miscellaneous things, fill out the call takeaways, get the stats on the group, and then I have a few calls again to pretty much just set up kind of softwares on the back end. Then pretty much go to the gym, go to the freaking gym, yo. But yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys in 10 minutes for another intense call time lapse. I believe NQ is going to go down and sweep at least London lows in order to deliver price higher, which was again ES. All right, just wrapped up the call. Really good call. Now I'm paying my Amex bill. Woo! Get to pay the Amex bill, and then pretty much just do the kind of miscellaneous things. Call takeaways, do the stats for the group, and then I have to hop on another call to set up a few things. Then pretty much after that, the workday is over. So yeah, again, really great day. Woke up, analysis, W trade, W call, grinded out short form content, pay bills, recap the Discord, hop on more calls. Great day. Great day. So I'm going to do this really quick, then I'll kind of just show you guys again the stats for the group and takeaways, and then that'll pretty much be it. All right, it is now 2 p.m. and I'm trying to get this video pushed for you guys, and I just have to hop off a long call. So I'm just going to end the video here. Again, a really good day. W trade. Students took the same trade. Overall, pushed some good short form content, long form content. I was gonna say something though. What was I gonna say? Think. Oh, I was gonna say, bro, like the biggest thing that low-key helps me, like just be able to detach from the charts is, right, because like all you guys kind of got into online money, pretty much wanting to like, right, because as traders, it's a boring ass fucking niche. It's a boring ass business model, and you're literally bored the entire, like the majority of the day outside of like 11. Like you're off the charts at like 11 most likely, or at least I am, right? So like my biggest issue was like finding something to keep me busy, and like right, like everyone wants to work hard and just be working hard all day long, all week long to actually progress. But when you have, because like my biggest issue was I had nothing to work hard on, right? Like you'd actually need to create a kind of business, or create at least work for you to work on every single day. That sounds so dumb, but like I was always stressing, like feeling I was not doing enough because I was doing so little with my day. I would just trade, post a few fucking short form videos, and just fuck off, right? So like obviously I found that for myself now, in obviously educating you guys, changing lives, changing my students' lives, obviously having to focus on profitably trade every single day. Like I don't, it's like I actually have kind of like things to work towards, and like actually things that keep me going every single day, right? And obviously like also things like going to the gym, keeping my physique up, focusing on healthy foods, like doing all these things that I can actually focus on throughout my day that keeps me busy. And like since I've kind of actually made this own work for myself, it has helped me so much. So like obviously not everyone's a content creator making YouTube videos every single day doing all this, right? But like that's just kind of what drives me, like changing lives, educating you guys, inspiring you guys, keeping my body in check. Like that is all. Like if you like, obviously I don't know your hobbies, I don't know what you enjoy, but if you can genuinely find something that after you get off the charts you genuinely look forward to every single day to work towards, it will help you so much to be able to detach from the charts. Like again, I don't know what it is for you, like bro, in 10 years or 5 years, my ideal life, everyday life, looks like being like a fucking YouTuber that trades, that does food reviews, and does like just like an everyday kind of maybe this like fitness content. That's what I fuck with. So like that's what I'm striving towards. And like again, it's different for everyone. Like I love food. I love kind of making these types of videos. So if you can just find something that you generally enjoy doing every single day off the charts, it will genuinely help you so much to be able to detach from the outcome of the P&L of the trading day. If you got break even, you got a loss, yada yada yada. So that was just a quick spiel, because that's what really helps me, because as like entrepreneurs, you're always saying, oh my gosh, I need to work harder, but you have nothing to actually work on, right? So you need to create that. And again, I don't know what it is for you, but just work towards something and create something, your hobbies, or just something. Like there's always something. So just fill your day up with product productive activities, and it'll help a lot with being able to detach from the charts. So with that being said, I'm done yapping. I'm gonna upload this video in like an hour or something like that. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, another huge, not huge, but another solid trading day. 5.7K on the day or something like that. So if you guys want to join the group and learn with me every single day, that is in the description. You can apply and book a call with me. And then, of course, Alpha Futures. If you want accounts with Alpha, great platform. Code Jack will get you discounted. And TikTok, Instagram, the whole shebang. And of course, if you like these videos, if you like what I say, if you like the way I trade, subscribe. I'm posting videos every single day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for Friday. Peace.